When World War II is interpreted as a manufactured event, something of this scale can only mean great aspirations for financial gain and restructuring thought and habits through this traumatic break in people's lives by those behind the planning. So the space and science paradigms are getting shifted, expanded significantly. The Helios planetary system from Copernicus up to then still appears to be the model in terms of experimental claims, the totality of what humanity knew. The Earth is one in many objects, and there is the relation, albeit indirectly, to astrology, what is perceived in the zodiacal heavens, the patterns the stars make. In the 1950s, with the support, theological and otherwise, of the Vatican Church, there is a fascination with looking beyond. I would argue a lowering of educational standards post-war, with all the high-quality cars, radios, and entertainment. So outer space is first encountered by a generation brought up on an inviting lie. The US had won the war and deserved to now be great. The confidence in government and their institutions, founded a century earlier, a necessity for what followed, taking us on a journey to these places. Edwin Hubble below, looking professorly with the pipe, perfect for the 1920s. He makes deductions about other galaxies based on looking through an antiquated telescope with what looks like a hand crank on the side there. Then Albert Einstein, with his theoretical physics on the rules of this realm and how to display that mathematically. The moon, on the other hand, is something you can see at least, close to Earth, in their model as well. The communist theme early on, in the films from the 1940s, of course culminating in the US landing. This established an imaginative and spatial link to more colourful and ambitious computer-generated images of the outer reaches, thanks to satellite dishes like Satan. By design, colour TV is also just around the corner. The media orchestrating a push towards all things patriotic and futuristic, a better world after the war, with plenty of fear of other made-up things